Guess what? It rained again last night. No shit, Sherlock. I always wanted to make that look good, and I've been thinking about it for a couple of days. I also need the top to be higher if I'm going to use it as a personal human trafficking trail. But anyway, so I was thinking about it last night to make that higher, and then I thought I would put an arch in it. It'll be a brick arch with brick wall, brick supports. And because I'm using bricks, I need it to be a half brick wider on each side. I cut that template to draw the arch, and now I'm going to cut 100mm off all the way around 100mm. The arch and the bricks won't go in for quite a while, but I want to cut the wall now because I need the extra height. And if I'm doing the extra height, I might as well do the sides as well to get the dust over and done with. Fox love, brick ride! I did it again. Forgot to press record while I chipped it out all nice and careful. But trust me, it's a good job. Okay, I've made another good mess, so I best get to cleaning up and turn the recording off. Happy birthday to me!
Yeah, we're heading out to a whale watching trip for about an hour and a half.
Beautiful day.
Brian was going to wear shorts and his tropical shirt, but it is 15 degrees outside and it will be much colder out there.
Oh, yeah.
The boat's running late, so we're all waiting patiently. And as long as Brian's got his coffee, he's happy enough. And Aisling has a hot chocolate.
I've got a small dilemma, or maybe it's a big dilemma, but last weekend I got an opportunity to bring home some free timber. Some of it is stacked up here on top of my table saw. There's more stacked out the back of the basement. And Rosie told me off for bringing home rubbish because I've got nowhere to put it. So my dilemma today is I found another freebie on Facebook and I've gone and collected it, and now I've got nowhere to put it, or I've got to think about where I'm going to put it because I can't leave it in the car. That is stuff that a landscaper was moving premises and they didn't want to take all that leftovers and samples with them. So they put them on Facebook for free. So there was me driving home for the last 10 kilometers at about granddad speed, cringing every time I hit a pothole or a bump, because the arse end of the car is nearly on the ground. That's an excellent hole, and I will make terrific use of it. But for right now, I've got to find somewhere to put it. I put that one there because it's too heavy to go any further. It's 2 meters long, by the way, that one. I like that big roundish piece. I believe that's limestone. I've got, 5 pieces there. Oh, they're all different. That's the nicest one of them. I'm thinking that might make a nice floor in my lift shaft. They're 400 by 600. I've got some of those pavers there. I got these, and I reckon they're retaining wall capstones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 3 half ones. That's 1 meter long, that one. He can park there, handy enough spot. That's another one in there that's longer. That's 1500 by the looks of it. This is a square slab here. That's 500 by 500. I got these sandstone paving bricks, sandstone color that is, and these grey ones. That one is fatter than the rest, just one of them. I got them grey ones. I got these sparkly, never mind the chalk, but sparkly granite looking stuff. $1.50 of them. Concrete, fake stones. Just that little pile there. These are 90 by 90 on this plastic mat. Some of them have come off. There's nearly a bucket full of loose ones there. So yeah, there's about 15 of those mat things, which is damn nice. That'll be a main feature in my dungeon. And these are really like, they're actual stone, but cut flat on the back. And there's probably 4 or 5 square meters of that there as well. Nice stuff. And all that for free. Sometimes you just wait and the universe provides the solution. Didn't know what I was going to do with all the rubble I was collecting. But then my brother popped in on the weekend and said he was building a retaining wall and needed some backfill. So he took a big bunch of it, and now I'm going to take the rest down to his property and dump it there. Problem solved. Probably 2.5 hours to get there, 2 hours to come back, a couple of hours unloading into his backyard. Still much cheaper than taking it to the tip, I reckon. Plus he doesn't have to pay for rubble to go behind his new retaining wall. So win-win all around. Okay, I think that's good. I haven't put too much in there, but I am bringing a little bit home. But that's okay. I got rid of a good load today. Happy with that. Now I need to change of shirt and go somewhere for a wee-wees and a coffee.